Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing mini pizza in the air fryer. It's so easy, you guys. You just need the pizza dough for $1 from the Walmart, or make your own pizza dough. Feel free to do it. You need some mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, oregano, chunky salsa, tomato sauce, and some toppings like mushrooms I chose for this pizza. You will need put some salsa in like a little bowl, and then mix in some oregano, like half of a spoon of oregano inside. Mix it well, then chop the mozzarella cheese in small pieces for the pizza, for the mini pizza. Chop it into small pieces. I'm sorry guys, I'm holding my phone trying to record while I'm chopping. It's being so hard to chop it in with one hand. Then form out of the pizza dough like small little pizzas. Like I said, they don't look very round, but you get the point, right? Just make small and put as many as possible in the air fryer. For me, they're just gonna fit like 3 inside, and they are not perfectly like round because, like I said, I'm doing it all with one hand because I'm recording with the other hand. So please don't judge me guys, and let me know how was your pizza in the comments down below. So you make this little pizzas, and then you put the topping, the sauce on top with the oregano inside. Make sure you spread it well, and you don't put too little, put enough so you can taste it later on. This pizza is really delicious, you guys. My pizza dough was a little bit thick because you're supposed to like roll it and stuff, but you know, I like it this way. So now I chopped small mushrooms and I'm gonna put it on top of the pizza. If you can use peppers or salami, I mean pepperoni or whatever you feel like, ham, olives, feel free for any topping to use. Now I'm putting my mozzarella cheese on top, like you see over here. Don't put too much though, because it's gonna like melt all around, like it's gonna drop down the air fryer. Now I'm gonna put more cheese because I love cheese. I put more parmesan cheese on top of the mini pizzas, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna turn on my air fryer for 370 Fahrenheit for like, I believe I put it for 12 minutes. I know here it says 15, but I took it out after 12 minutes because the pizza was ready already. So this is how it looks like. You guys, was so delicious. I recommend you to do mini pizza and not a big pizza because it's harder to